Yes.
My lord, I am appearing with Mr. Chakraborty for petitioner,
Yes.
filing my reply.
For the state, my lord.
What is your submission?
My lord, the petitioner before your lordship is a midday meal supplier and doing business for the last 29 years. I challenge this because the BDO has changed the format given by the additional district magistrate by deleting the word distance over there. So that's why your lordship was pleased to direct them to file an affidavit. Now it appears from their affidavit that they say that the scheme has been changed or cancelled, but no notice has been given to us. And your lordship would kindly see there was an order of a status quo by my Lord Justice Chattopadhyay, as his lordship then was, that I have annexed in my affidavit in reply. So if the status quo order is there, that means I was there. So how they can violate the order of High Court by deleting my name and appointing someone else?
Show me the impugned order where your name has been
Yes, my
deleted.
lord. That is in affidavit in reply. That is in affidavit in reply, page number. Status quo order. Right?
Is it not annexed to the writ petition?
Yes, my lord. That is in my affidavit in reply.
Why in reply? It should have
Yes,
been
my lord.
a writ
Page number 11.
Page number 11 is the order of the Honorable Court.
Your lordship, kindly see page number 11.
Yes.
That the order of status quo is there. Same, ma'am.
This
Having heard
order,
the
this writ petition is still pending.
It got default on 1st August.
that was dismissed for default.
So the interim order no longer remains.
No.
That was restored, huh?
Restored na. I'm good.
My learned friend.
What happened, my lord? Originally, it was there was an interim order till the date they have cancelled. It was 1st August 2014 and dismissed for default for non-prosecution by justice. So when they cancelled this, at that period of time, my lord, it was
Where is the cancellation?
Yes.
Where is the cancellation?
Cancellation is that you the opposition that never. Opposition page 7. Page 7. Page 21. In opposition, my lord, your lordship may come to page 21 and 22. 22 is the order of BDO.
Yes.
That is as per letter of additional district magistrate CMDP of South 24 height such and such dated 6/6/2022. The tender notice of the undersigned by memo number such and such dated 24/12/2019 and such and such dated 26/2/2020 are hereby cancelled. But at the material point of time, there was an interim order.
Where is? Show me the interim order was there in 2019.
Your lordship kindly come to my affidavit in reply, my lord.
Yes.
Last annexure.
Yes.
Last annexure. It is inner page 9, 10. 10.
Page 10?
Page 10.
Yes.
Lord, kindly see the last portion.
Wait.
After
there is a first, second, third paragraph.
Yes.
Let there be an interim order directing the respondents to maintain status quo regarding appointment of midday meal distributor in the area in question until further orders. That was made on 28/6/2005. Thereafter, my lord, on 1st day of August 2014, the matter was appeared as old matter and dismissed for default for non-prosecution.
That means 1st August 2014, all orders gone, no order remained. This is a notice of 2019 that has been cancelled. How are you aggrieved?
ডিসমিস হয়েছে 2014-তে।
So nothing remains?
No, no, my lord.
What no?
Let me see.
They want to continue with this.
For eternity. Yes?
না, না, 2014-তে হয়েছে। ওদের ক্যান্সেল হয়েছে 19
This is
না?
their ploy to somehow.
Has somebody been
No,
engaged?
my lord, because tender has been cancelled because my lord, since I had a talk with the district magistrate, don't do anything unless.
So who is supplying the midday meal food grains and everything?
My lord, he is supplying.
He is supplying still now.
এই সাপ্লাই করে?
Please come. The petitioner claims to be aggrieved by the order of the block development officer, Baripur Development Block, cancelling the tender by which midday meal food grains were supplied. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner refers to the order dated 28th of June 2005, passed by a coordinate bench of this court in WP 11827 W of 2005, filed by the petitioner, wherein the court was pleased to direct grant of an interim order. Pleased to grant an interim order directing the respondents to maintain status quo regarding appointment of midday meal distributor in the area in question until further orders. Paragraph. It has been fairly submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioner that the said writ petition stood dismissed for non-prosecution by an order dated 1st August 2014. Stop. In view of the dismissal of the writ petition, the interim order that was passed by the court stood vacated. Stop. The authorities thereafter permitted the petitioner to continue with the
Because of the fact, kindly see my affidavit of opposition, page 2, paragraph 3. Actually, authority wanted to replace that three traders to public auction or tenders. But somehow he stopped that. Kindly see paragraph 3.
paragraph 3.
না, না, আমরা দিচ্ছি না এখন।
My opposition.
না, না, এখন আমরা দিচ্ছি না।
That's why advertisement, then he came.
কি বললাম?
Replace three traders.
With the distribution scheme. Stop. The paragraph by order dated 9th June 2022, the tender notice which was floated for engagement of midday meal distributor stood cancelled. Stop. Because of cancellation of the tender notice, the petitioners are continuing with the distribution. Continuing, are you sure?
Right
No,
now,
no.
I do not know.
No.
Right now, I do not.
What Mr. Abdul Mannan is,
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে,
I am not my lord.
না তাহলে এই লাইনটা কেটে দিন, লাস্টের লাইনটা কন্টিনিউইংটা কেটে দিন। Paragraph, the petitioner submits that the block development officer could not have engaged somebody else in place of the petitioner for distribution of the midday meal articles, as he was protected by an interim order of status quo passed by this court. Paragraph. The aforesaid contention of the petitioner cannot be accepted by the court. Stop. The interim order in favor of the petitioner stood vacated on the day the writ petition stood dismissed for non-prosecution. Stop. The petitioner cannot claim to continue with the distributorship for eternity, relying on an interim order which already stood vacated. Stop. Next. In view of the above, no relief can be granted to the petitioners in the instant writ
One line
petition.
may be added.
The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Stop. It will be open for the block development officer
My lord,
to proceed.
even whatever he is making that submission, that Abdul Mannan Mullah, because he has not come through tender process. So my lord, even my lord, kindly whoever is there for the time being, authority may be directed to float a tender immediately.
Last
And
week,
yes,
it will be open for the officer to float fresh tender for appointment of distributor of the midday meal articles
within the
in accordance with law at the earliest.
Obvious.